Just finished staining some picture frames. Started off with maple gloss for the first 5, and then I moved to some clear stuff. This type right here started out like this. Unfinished boards that I glued together using dumpster wood. This style right here, I put some spleens in it. Look at those. For this big one, I spleened it right there. I think it came out actually pretty nice. Also got 39 cutting boards sitting right here that I treated with some cutting board oil. Hit that subscribe button to see where all this is going and what all more I did.